An otoplasty, or ear pinning, it describes a procedure that we use to manipulate the ears, or the auricle, which is the ear. So how it's done is there's an incision on the back of the ear, and from the back of the ear, sutures are placed that shape and manipulate the projection of the ear. We also may remove small amounts of cartilage to further set back the ear if the ears are prominent. So that is an otoplasty. It involves reshaping and adjusting the projection of the ears through an incision on the back of the ear. And I personally use permanent clear nylon sutures to hold the new shape once as part of the otoplasty, because the cartilage is forever going to want to go back to its pre-operative shape and place. And that's why it's important, in one of the few places where I will actually use permanent sutures to hold it into the desired location as part of the operation. To learn more, check out our website where you can upload your photos and concerns as a virtual consult. You can also check out our price estimator to get pricing information for all the various procedures we offer. And finally, if you'd like to have your questions answered on a future podcast or Q&A video session like this, please leave a message on our SpeakPipe. You can go to our blog page and our SpeakPipe is located there. Thanks for listening.